Hello students, welcome to Mitu Maths classes. Your question is differentiate tan inverse of square root 1 plus sin x plus square root 1 minus sin x upon square root 1 plus sin x minus square root 1 minus sin x where x lies between 0 to pi with respect to x. Now to differentiate, we have to differentiate this function. So let this function be, let y is equals to tan inverse of square root of 1 plus sin x plus square root of 1 minus sin x upon square root of 1 plus sin x minus square root of 1 minus sin x. Let this is the function y. Now we know that we are going to apply one plus sin x sin 2a is equals to cos a plus sin a whole square and 1 minus sin 2a is equals to cos a minus sin a whole square. These are the two half angle formulas. So we are going to apply these two half angle formulas here. So Ry will become tan inverse of square root of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square plus square root of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Okay. Similarly, in the denominator, we get square root of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square and minus square root of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. And we know that square root of x square is equals to modulus x. Now to use this, by using this, our function will become tan inverse of square root of this square will be equals to modulus of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus modulus of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. And similarly in the denominator, modulus of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus modulus of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now, what is the value of modulus function? आपको ये देखना है जो इनपुट है, मॉड्यूलस का इनपुट है वो पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव है. नाउ एज x lies between 0 to pi, as x lies between 0 to pi, x by 2 will lie in between 0 to pi by 2 और 0 से pi by 2 के बीच में आपका कोसाइन फंक्शन और साइन फंक्शन कैसा बिहेव करता है? इन बिटवीन 0 to pi by 2, sin 0 0, sin pi by 2 1, like this. और कोसाइन फंक्शन आपका ऐसा बिहेव करेगा. तो आप ये देख सकते हैं cos x by 2 ये है और sin x by 2 आपका ये वाला फंक्शन है. तो एट पाई बाय 4 से पहले 0 से पाई बाय 4 तक आपका cos फंक्शन बड़ा है, sin फंक्शन छोटा है. तो ये तो आपके दोनों मॉड्यूलस पॉजिटिव ही होंगे क्योंकि these are the positive, they are taking both positive values. So cos x by 2 and sin x plus sin x by 2 तो पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज लेगा, तो इसके मॉड्यूलस में आपको दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. बट cos x by 2 माइनस sin x by 2 आपका 0 से पाई बाय 4 तक पॉजिटिव होगा और पाई बाय 4 से पाई बाय 2 में नेगेटिव होगा क्योंकि cos आपका छोटा है, sin बड़ा है. सो यू आर गोइंग टू कंसीडर टू केसेस हेयर. केस 1, when x by 2 lies in between 0 to pi by 4. जब 0 से pi by 4 तक है तो your y becomes tan इनवर्स ऑफ, ये तो आपका पॉजिटिव ही रहेगा, तो cos x बाय 2 प्लस साइन x बाय 2, और 0 से पाई बाय 4 के केस में ये भी आपका पॉजिटिव ही रहेगा, तो cos x बाय 2 माइनस साइन x बाय 2 अपॉन cos x बाय 2 प्लस साइन x बाय 2 माइनस ये एज इट इज रहेगा, तो माइनस cos x बाय 2 प्लस sin x by 2, and this will give you, sin will cancel out, denominator में cos will cancel out, and this will be equals to tan inverse of 2 cos x by 2 upon 2 sin x by 2. 2 will cancel out, and this will be equals to tan inverse of cot x by 2. अब cot को आपको tan में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए you are going to take cot x by 2 is equals to tan pi by 2 minus x by 2. Now tan inverse of tan something is equals to tan is invertible. पहले आप ये चेक करोगे whether this input lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 or not. X by 2 lies in between 0 to pi by 4. So minus x by 2 will lie in between minus 4 pi by 4 to 0. तो pi by 2 अगर आप दोनों साइड ऐड करेंगे then it will give you pi by 4 minus x by 2 will lie in between pi by 4 and pi by 2, which is within the domain of tan inverse, which is within the range of tan inverse in fact. So hence it is invertible, so y is equals to pi by 2 minus x by 2. तो जब y आपका ये आ गया फंक्शन, so you can differentiate it now. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equals to 0 minus half. So your derivative in this case is minus half. Now let us consider another case, that is when x by 2 lies in between pi by 4 to pi by 2. When x lies between minus pi by 4 to pi by 2, your y will become tan inverse of मॉड्यूलस ऑफ cos x by 2 प्लस sin x by 2 तो आपका पॉजिटिव ही रहेगा, बट cos x by 2 माइनस sin x by 2 का मॉड्यूलस नेगेटिव वैल्यू लेगा, सो इट विल बी नेगेटिव. सो माइनस cos x by 2 प्लस sin x by 2. Similarly, in denominator cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 का मॉड्यूलस विल गिव यू दिस ओनली, बट cos x by 2 माइनस sin x by 2 का डेरिवेटिव यहाँ ऑलरेडी बाहर नेगेटिव साइन है और वो भी नेगेटिव जनरेट करेगा, सो इट विल गिव यू sin x by 2 माइनस cos x by 2. तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा क्योंकि फाइनली बाहर भी आपका नेगेटिव साइन है. नाउ हेयर cos will cancel out and here sin will cancel out. So your function will become tan inverse of 2 sin x by 2 upon 2 cos x by 2. 2 will cancel out and you are left with tan inverse of tan x by 2. Now you have to first check whether x by 2 lies within the range of tan inverse x or not. X by 2 lies in between pi by 4 to pi by 2. So hence it is invertible. So your y is equals to x by 2. Now you can easily differentiate this function. Now differentiating with respect to x, you will get dy by dx is equals to half, and in the second case your derivative is हाफ।